Hello guys, welcome to Hyndford Model Railway. Basically we're going to do our first Meet the Fleet series, which is going to be of our 320, which is done by Bratchell models. So yeah, now I've put it back into its original plastic wraps. Yeah, so I'll just take out the first carriage. Let's just unwrap the first carriage. I need to be very careful with this because this is what, 275 quid. Right, so there's our shiny little 320. I'm just going to pop it on the display track. It's a lovely model. Cannot get all the detail of it, like everything. Scratch belt. Okay, here's the pantograph coach. Just take it out of its packaging. I'm very careful with all these models. And yeah, so once I put this one together, I'll show you some close-ups on top of the coaches. It's Bratchell used the tension flipper, so I'll just put this on camera alongside. There we go. This is an unmotorised unit because, well, I need to go get some motors, which probably use the Black Beetle motors in this 320. And the rear coach, which is inadvertently another DTSO. So I'll just roll it out of its plastic bag that the model came in and take out the rear coach. Here is the rear coach, and then I will talk to you about it. So there's rear coach. Just couple that up. I won't couple up. Down to camera level again. The camera is displaying the incorrect colour of livery. The black is perfect. It's this orange. It's a lot more vibrant orange, not this reddish colour. But that's just the camera's angle. So it's just the camera's angle. So yeah, and I just need to couple this one up. I'll be back in a sec. Back. I've assembled the 3-car 320. Coupled up the coaches. This is an unmotorised unit because Bratchell models do not do the motorised version. You have to go to Britannia Pacific and get a custom one done. So I'm going to get that done with my Crimson one. But it does give us a good look at 320. So this is DTSO number 1. It does look, it's got the moulding on the 320 correct, it's got the sides and everything, even down to the little Strathley Transport and British Rail logos. There's a Royal Mail symbol because these were used by the postal depot, or the post staff required to use the Royal Mail compartment on this service, so the doors would have been locked here because this is what, 1990. So as we move on in the model, you can see it does capture the Strathley Transport livery well. It is beautiful. And we've got DTSO number 3. Now, I am missing the pantograph because the pantograph is coming in the mail. It's a nice Hornby Bretton Willis metal pantograph. Here's the end unit of the 320. DTSO number 2. This one doesn't have the Royal Mail logos because this is pure for the passenger compartment. This has also got a passenger compartment. This is what the Royal Mail is, so yeah. There's not much else I can say about the 320. I mean, it's It's a beautiful model. They are quite pricey though. They are. This particular one cost me £275, and they have jumped up again with price. They're now £336. So pricing will vary, but you can find them on eBay once every blue moon for about £160 and up. But there's your beautiful 320, so I'm just going to leave it with that shot, and I shall see you all in the next Meet the Fleet episode.